This is the story of Abigail, a young entrepreneur with big dreams. Fueled by her love for art and cuisine, she established Harmony Cafe, a unique spot blending local flavors and cultural art. At first, everything seemed perfect. Abigail poured her heart into creating a special experience for her customers. The cafe quickly became a favorite in the city, bringing joy to Abigail and her family. It seemed like her dreams were turning into reality. One customer said, "This place is amazing. Great food, beautiful art, it feels so special." But happiness was short-lived. When the pandemic hit, everything changed. Customer visits plummeted, bills kept coming, and Abigail faced the hardest decision of her life, closing her cafe. Then Abigail said her heart, "Did I fail? Should I give up on everything I've worked for?" Abigail decided not to give up. She used this time to reflect on her failures and learn from her mistakes. Armed with a renewed spirit, Abigail explored new ideas to revive her business. Then her mentor said, "Failure is the best teacher. If you're willing to learn, you'll come back stronger." With her new strategy, Abigail rose from the ashes. She utilized social media to promote her products online. Her unique food and art packages became a hit, reaching customers not only in her city, but beyond. Her hard work and resilience paid off. Harmony Cafe was revived, stronger than before, symbolizing renewal and innovation. Then Abigail said, "This is just the beginning. Failure isn't the end, it's a valuable lesson." Abigail's story teaches us that failure is part of the journey toward success. With determination, hard work, and a willingness to learn, we can all rise and achieve our dreams. No matter how tough the journey gets, never give up on your dreams. Remember, a business may fall, but the spirit must remain unshaken.